Hey all you cool cats and kittens, Carol Baskins here. I'm just kidding. And you guys watch that show, The Tiger King? It was freaking crazy, right? She totally killed her husband and fed him to the tigers. That's like the perfect crime. Anyways, let me know if you watch The Tiger King. That show's just freaking crazy. I was cracking up for most of it. It's actually kind of sad, actually. Yeah, welcome back, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we got a fun little head-to-head. Two of my favorite lights. We have the new Kobalt 24 volt max work light. We're going to compare it to the Makita work light. Very similar when it comes to size and the articulations of the head. We're going to go over the price points. We'll talk about the illumination, the lumens, and let you know if it's worth your money or not. So stick around the end. Hit that intro. There you go. Yes, check that out. This is on high, the Kobalt. Got some good illumination here. Give you a shine on the old backdrop here. So this is high with the Kobalt. It says it's 700 lumens. One click down to low is 300 lumens. It claims it can do 10 hours on low with a 2 amp hour battery. Off. High, low, off. Not bad. Show you the Makita. There's Makita, not nearly as bright, guys. The max lumens on this is 300. It has 12 LEDs at 300 lumens. Click the button again, goes down to 6 LEDs for 150 lumens. Not super bright. So 300 on high, low is 150, off. So the Makita, the Kobalt, much brighter. I feel like it's much better bang for your buck just because it's brighter. Who doesn't want 700 lumens over 300? I mean, the Makita was good in its time, but this is a very old light. It's been out for years and years and years, where the Kobalt's only been out for a couple years. All right, let's turn the lights back on. This is why I like the Kobalt. It folds down nice and neat. Has a hook, rotates 360 degrees, right? And it has 4 magnets in the back, so you can stick it like on your car underneath when you work on your car. I'll show that at the end here. I'll stick it on. I have some metal over here. We'll put it on. It comes with the belt clip, which is slick. I always put this on a belt hook. The head has 7 D10s. It rotates 300 degrees, not 360. So it'll go this way, and then it'll go all the way this way. So not quite 360, 300 degrees. 7 D10s. What else does it say here? That's about it. 10 hours runtime, like I said, with a 2 amp hour battery, 700 lumens. Magnets for adding, hanging versatility. Brightness trigger, high, low, 180 degree pivoting. It has 6 LEDs. This one has 6. Where the Makita has 12 on high, then it bumps down to 6 on the low mode. Now the Makita also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 D10s. Has a nice hook here on the top, swivels, you can adjust it any which way you want. This also comes with a lanyard, which I never use. You can attach the lanyard right here. This light will last a freaking super long time with a 3 amp hour battery. I've used this in my kids' room as a night light. It's lasted a couple nights. What else? This one also is great. Folds up. The head rotates the same to the right. The same to the left, so 300 degrees. So the head articulation both goes to the right this way, and then you swoop it back over. It goes all the way up that way. Very versatile lights, guys. I really enjoy both these lights. Like I've had this Makita thing for a couple years. You can see it's all beat up, kind of scuffed up, worn out. And this is my new favorite light. I use this almost daily. Very slick. Close up there. You can see the LEDs inside there. The hook folds down here and the hook's up here on the top on this one. I wish there was a belt hook for the Makita, but there's not. I really like the fact that you can hook the belt clip on there. Alright guys, let me know what's your favorite work light. Maybe I should do a video of my top 5 favorite LED work lights. Let me know down below what I should do. Got a lot more Makita. God, I'm freaking so distracted with this whole Rona thing, I can't think straight. I have lots of Kobalt videos coming up, guys. So don't go anywhere on me, stick around, just been super busy and haven't had time to put them out. What else? I feel like I'm forgetting something. You can see the nice heatsink, aluminum heatsink inside there, where the Makita doesn't really have it. Both have nice rubber overmold. I like the fact that the button's on the front for the Kobalt, where the button is on the back for the Makita, right here. Oh, let me show you the magnetic. This is my little anvil here. It's all metal. Then you can adjust your light however you'd like. Very slick, guys. Oh, I pushed down a little too hard because I got the big battery on there. It holds really well with the 2. When you put the 4 or the 6, I know with the 6 sometimes it'll slide down a little bit. But, you know, Makita doesn't have it, so I really like the magnetic feature on there. You can also, like last night, I was working underneath the truck, and this is exactly how I had it, like this. Ding, ding, ding. Just any which way you want. Point it down, point it up. You're good to go. That's what I'm saying. Well, there you go, guys. Hope you like a little comparison. You know, the Kobalt retails at Lowe's. They've been dropping their prices because of the new stuff. I think you can get this for $39.99, I want to say. Bare tool. The Makita, I want to say this is still $50 at Home Depot. It's just ridiculously expensive. I mean, it's an okay light, but for $50, it's very lackluster. It's very, what does it come out? 7, 8 years ago? Something like that? Maybe even 10? So it's no frills light, but it gets the job done, guys. I'm not knocking on it, it's a good light. But this one is just upgraded, it works a lot better. So I give the Kobalt 1.5 thumbs up. Makita, it gets just a half thumb up. It's not a bad light. If it was 20 bucks, yeah, for sure all day long, but not at $50, guys. It's way overpriced. And that's just bare tool. I mean, this is bare tool too, but it's only 39 bucks. What else am I forgetting? There you go. That's really all I got for you guys. Try to keep it nice and short for you today. Show the channel some love. Click that like button. Let YouTube know you like my content. Get my videos hopping again. For some reason, my views and everything's just been way down. I know I haven't been posting much lately, but it's just crazy. Anyways, guys, much love. Appreciate you. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Don't let Rona get you. Until next time, see ya.